Welcome to another edition of English Makes No Sense. Today we're going to take a look at just one saying. What? Just one saying? Yeah, just one saying. And the saying is, get ahead of oneself. Now, if someone says, hey, you're getting ahead of yourself, that means you're being overconfident or you're acting or planning prematurely. That means you're acting without much planning or thinking. Got it? Why don't we want to get ahead of ourselves? Because it means we don't have a really good plan. We're just going to do it. Got it? Why can't we just say do it? I don't know. Maybe because Nike has that. Who knows? But to get ahead of oneself means to be overconfident or to act or plan prematurely. Got it? So you could use it like this. Say, whew, that man, he's really getting ahead of himself. Or don't get ahead of yourself. I need you to think before you act. Or say you did something without thinking. You say, oh man, I got ahead of myself and did not make a good plan. See how you can use it all over? So don't get ahead of yourself. Always make a plan. Why do we say get ahead when ahead means be in front of oneself? I don't know. But now you know exactly what it means. Get ahead of oneself means to be overconfident or to act or plan prematurely. And now you can read and understand this sentence. Think before you get ahead of yourself. What? Come on, English. No, really, think before you get ahead of yourself. Peace, friends.